Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at a very interesting video. So we are going to look at top 5 or top 7, you can say, real world assets projects in the crypto industry. So I will be looking at my top 6 or top 5 favorites. So let's start with this one. So of course, the first one is Chainlink. I don't need to tell you because this one is a very popular project, so we won't be going in depth into this one because this one is basically the backbone of the crypto industry because it actually connects various information from the real world to the crypto industry, so that's pretty good. After that we have Mantra or OM. So this coin is very interesting one. So I called this coin back, I think it was when it was somewhere around 3.7, somewhere around here. So I did make a video a few days back and I did say that it was actually preparing to hit $11, as you can see here, and we saw a massive breakout from here, and again it did go up. So again we are struggling to basically we are trading around somewhere 5.6 as of now, and we had a pretty good pullback, as you can see here, but it actually rebound very strong. As you can see here, it is going up, and I think we will most likely see another big wave coming up from this project. As of now, of course, due to the market condition, we do have pretty good resistance around 5.9. So if we do break this one out, we will most likely continue rally till $11, or most probably around 10, or even I think uh, probably somewhere around 8 or $11 is a possibility. So that's pretty good. Again, a massive W for OM coin. So looking at the second coin, we have Ondo. This coin is a very interesting coin, and this is also the Ondo coins in the Ondo coins ecosystem. As you can see, OUSG as well, pretty massive market cap, and Ondo is a very strong coin, and its position is a very strong when it comes to the real world assets. But there is something that you should be aware of because Ondo had a massive token unlocks. I believe it was around, I think, yes, it was on 16th Jan, as you can see. So we had a massive unlock. So the investors basically got around 430 million Ondo tokens, which is the current worth of those tokens is around 612 million. So that is a massive amount. And if we do open on those price section, so basically it did I believe, let's just see when it happened. So it happened somewhere around we can say around 23rd, or even I believe it was somewhere around 23rd. So let's see. So if we look at the weekly chart, we have, okay, so the tokens were basically given somewhere around here, and again the price followed as expected, and we had a massive sell-off. So most probably some of those tokens from the investors were sold, but I think they are very likely much more bullish on this project, and which is why we have not seen that much of a sell-off, because I thought this demand zone was a pretty good one and it should have been filled. I did mention this in my previous video, you can also check that out. Anyway, so but again I think the buy pressure was just too strong and it has been going up. So I think this project could be a very strong project when we do see a RWS pump, and as of now I think RWS are very strong and they are going up. And if you look at Ondo as well as OM, both of them are up basically around 15%, again 50%. So that's massive W for both of these projects. After that we have another one. So I will just start with RSR. So this coin is a very interesting coin. I have not covered this coin in the past, but it does have a narrative of made in USA, and again it is also in the Coinbase venture portfolio. But the interesting thing is that it has yet to come to the Coinbase, and of course I'm not sure why the Coinbase hasn't launched this coin, but still once it does come to the Coinbase, I think we'll most likely see a pretty good pump. But it does have a lot of supply to come out, so that is something that you should keep that in mind. But again, the project is very interesting one. I have yet to make a full video on this one, but basically The Reserve Protocol is the first platform that allows for the permissionless creation of assets-backed, yield-bearing, and over-collateralized stablecoins on Ethereum. So that's pretty good. And basically, RSR coin itself is at the forefront, as you can see here. It is staked. You can stake RSR coins to receive to receive a portion of R token. So that's pretty good revenue. So that after that, you also get some votings and other things. Pretty interesting project. And if you look at its price section, I have not covered this coin, so I thought I should give a proper intro on this coin. So we have yet to actually go up again. It did actually hit 66 and it's up pretty good, but again it has been going down and it was trending, but unfortunately Bitcoin was going down, so it did not go up. But still, we have yet to hit all-time high, which is around 11 cents, so that means it does seems to have a lot of potential to go up. So I think that's pretty good one. After that, we have another project which is a very interesting project, and I have made a lot of videos on this as well, which is Goldfinch or GFI. So basically, if you look at this coin, it has performed quite well in the past. As you can see here, it did actually went as high as $6.2, but again we went down, and this was a massive demand zone, and we had a pretty good reversal. As you can see here, we went up, but this was filled, so we are going down. So I think if the BTC goes up, we will most likely see at least 2.5 or even 2.6, and if the RWS narrative goes up again, we will most likely see $6, or if we will most likely go around $9 or even $10, the possibility. But if it does go down, we again do have a pretty good, I believe, buy zone. It was somewhere around here and it was actually filled. But if you want to buy it, if you are interested in this coin, you can actually buy it in a dollar cost strategy. As you can see here, this is a pretty good buy zone, around $1 to 74 cents. Again, if you are patient enough, you will be able to get entries around here, which I think the next buy zone is most likely around 49 to 42 cents. Pretty good. So moving ahead, we have another project which is Origin Trail. As you can see here, this one, the coin is called TRAC. Again, pretty interesting project. They do have a lot of things going on, and they are also into AI as well as metaverse, as well as interoperability, deep in decentralized science, even AI agents. So this project has all of it. So this one is a very interesting one again, but it has actually gone down significantly, as you can see here, from hitting $1.1 to hitting 60 cent. So that is a massive down, you can say massive dump. Again, it is up 21%, so that's pretty good for this project as well, because RW narrative is pretty strong, and this coin is a pretty good one, I believe. And it is also fairly low cap, as you can see, 200 300. This one does come in low to mid cap, so pretty good. So let's go to the last coin that I think will be pretty good. Again, let's see, we have a C pool, another very interesting project. It was gaining a lot of attraction, and as of now this one is in the pretty good correction, but still this one is worth to watch if you're interested in RWS. So this one is a pretty good one. After that, we have again CFG, another very high project, but this one has struggled very much, so I don't really like this one. We have TRU TrueFi. I believe the Coinbase Venture does back this one, but they do have a lot of supply to come out, so better to avoid it, I believe. After that, we have Energy Web, and this one is focused on energy based. You can say this one does cover in RWS, but we have ProP. So, or ProCoin, this one is a very interesting one, and I do have a lot of videos on ProCoin. Basically, this one is a real estate coin, and if you look at its correction, it has been going down, hitting its all-time high, which was around it was fairly, I believe it was an all-time high, as you can see here, around $4, and it has been going down, and it did have a massive pump, as you can see. I believe, okay, let's just open the daily chart. I will just delete these. So we are in a massive buy zone for the Propicoin as of now. As you can see here, we do have a lot of I believe we have a lot of orders waiting to be filled around here. So I think this is a pretty good opportunity to get into Procoin if you're interested, because I think it can actually pump like 50% or even higher from here. So anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.